Socializing 59. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 12, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised a good quality found within Islam. Namely, to spread the Islamic greeting of peace to people one knows and to those they do not know. It is important to act on this good characteristic, as nowadays Muslims often only spread the Islamic greeting of peace to those they know. It is important to spread it to all, as this leads to love between people and strengthens Islam. In fact, this characteristic leads to paradise, according to a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 194. One must avoid the bad habit of only shaking hands with other Muslims, without extending the Islamic greeting of peace to them. The verbal greeting of peace is more important than only shaking hands. A Muslim should never forget that they will receive a minimum of 10 rewards for every greeting of peace they extend to others, even if others fail to reply to them. This has been advised in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawud, number 5195. Finally, a Muslim should fulfill the Islamic greeting of peace correctly by demonstrating this peace in their other speech and actions towards others, by keeping their verbal and physical harm away from people and their possessions. This is in fact the definition of a true Muslim and believer, according to a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 4998. It is hypocritical for someone to extend the greeting of peace to someone, and then harm them through their speech and actions. In fact, this attitude defies the purpose of extending the greeting of peace to others.